Hey there, welcome to the channel. In today's quick and friendly tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through filling a shape with color in Canva. If you're just getting started with Canva or you've ever wondered, how do I actually fill a shape without messing around with tricky tools, you've come to exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create colored shapes in your designs, which is super useful for anything from Instagram graphics to presentations or digital art projects. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your dashboard. If not, just sign in, it only takes a moment. On your homepage, you'll see a big, bold Create a Design button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, something I always recommend, especially when you're testing out new techniques, is to use a custom size so you can really focus on your shape and color without any distractions from a template. For this tutorial, type in 100 by 100 pixels. It's a nice square canvas, perfect for experimenting and seeing everything up close. Once you've got that set, click Create New Design. Canva will open up your fresh blank canvas in a new tab and we're ready to get creative. Now to add a shape, look over on the left side of your screen for the Elements tab. It's the one with the little shapes icon. Click it and you'll see loads of fun graphics to pick from, but for now just search or scroll until you find a basic shape like a square, circle, or maybe a triangle. Click on the shape and it'll pop right into the center of your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners and move it around just by clicking and holding. No stress here, just set it up however you like. Here, where a little attention to detail comes in. With your shape selected, look for the outline options, sometimes called stroke. Let's set the stroke weight to 1. This will give your shape a neat, crisp border that defines the edges without being overpowering. Now let's set the stroke color itself to transparent so all you'll see is the outline, no extra color distracting from what's inside. If you don't see the transparent option right away, look for a slider or little color checkerboard. It means no color. Don't worry if it takes a second to find this option. Canva's menus are pretty intuitive once you've clicked around a bit. Okay, so now here's the million-dollar question. How do we actually fill this shape with color? Canva doesn't really let you just pour color inside an outline like you might with the Paint Bucket tool in other programs. But there's a smart workaround. What you can do is add another identical shape. The easiest way is to select your current shape, hit copy, and then paste it. Canva will create a perfect duplicate right on top of the first one. Now take this new shape and change the fill color to whatever you like. Maybe try a bold blue or a soft pastel, whatever suits your mood today. The key here is to send this colored shape behind the outlined one so you see the neat border you set up earlier over your filled color. To do this, look for the position button up top and click Send to Back. Now your colored shape acts like a background, perfectly filling the shape without any messy overlap. You might be tempted to explore Canva's drawing tools like the pencil or brush, thinking you could color it in that way. And hey, you certainly can, but keep in mind, using those tools will make your shape look more like hand-drawn art, not a clean, filled graphic. The brush and pencil are great for doodling, but they won't snap neatly inside the lines. For a pro look, sticking to shapes and layering is your best bet, and honestly, that's it. You've just filled a shape with color in Canva, the smart way that looks polished and sharp every single time. Thanks so much for following along. I hope you found this tip useful. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Canva or want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tips just like this. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.